We've reached the middle of June, and the 2018 drone racing season continues to deliver lots of great events. Drone racing leagues around the world have their seasons in full swing now, and pilots continue to compete for the top leaderboard positions and a chance at the season-ending championships. If you are new to drone racing but want to get involved, there are still opportunities to join leagues and sign up for racing events. Check the video information for links to leagues and events. Many events have open qualifiers that are only limited by the number of registrants. The MultiGP season continues in full force with regional qualifiers underway across the United States and one completed regional final. June is a busy month in the Northeast region with 7 qualifiers on the schedule in New York, New Jersey, Massachusetts, and Maryland. The final 2 races will be completed the first week of July, with the Northeast Regional Final to be held in New Jersey the weekend of July 21st and 22nd. Patrick Engineer White is the current points leader for the Northeast. North Central is finally on the board after finishing their first scheduled qualifier in Milwaukee, Wisconsin on June 9th. Matt Phased Levin is the early points leader with 4 more races scheduled in June and 5 more coming in July. The Northwest continues to get their practice in and wait for the start of the season, with the first qualifying race still a month away in Portland, Oregon on July 8th. The Southeast region continued its busy schedule, with 8 more qualifiers in May followed by 9 more in June. The weekend of June 15th through 17th will see the final 4 races for the Southeast region in South Carolina and Florida. The Southeast Regional Final will be held on June 30th through July 1st in Huntsville, Alabama. Alex Chief Campbell is currently on top of the Southeast standings. The South Central region finally got going at the end of May with qualifier events in Carrollton, Texas. There are 2 more qualifier events scheduled for June, in Louisiana, then back to Texas again on June 30th in Wichita Falls. 3 events are on the schedule for July, in Fort Worth, Texas, New Iberia, Louisiana, and Round Rock, Texas, respectively. Mark McGapp Bramer currently sits on top of the South Central region. The South Central Regional Championship is still a ways off, scheduled for October 13th and 14th in Dallas, Texas. The Southwest region finished all its races and was the first to complete its regional final, which wrapped up June 9th through 10th in Ventura, California. Corey Miwo FPV Ibanez held on to the top spot in the standings and will automatically advance to the year-ending championships along with the rest of the top 6 finishers from the Southwest region and last year's champion Alex Captain Vanover. The remaining pilots outside the top 6 will have to wait to see how their times hold up against the other regions. A pool of 72 pilots with top times who did not automatically qualify will be able to compete for the final 20 spots in the championship. The Buffalo Bando drone race is almost also here, taking place the weekend of June 22nd through 24th. This unique race will feature indoor as well as outdoor tracks and will weave its way through buildings, abandoned grain silos, and railroad tracks. Go to multigp.com for more information about events, drone requirements, and pilot registration. The International Drone Racing Association continued their season with 2 more events in May. Moritz Lazy Werfelli took home the top prize at the International Challengers Cup event in Genova, Italy, the weekend of May 11th through 13th. Back in the States, the San Bernardino County Fair hosted an IDRA regional event on May 18th and 19th. Top-ranked Dallas Murica FPV Camp won the event, with top qualifier Andy Marikelian in the runner-up position. Race 7, the St. Mary's Internationals, will take place the weekend of June 16th through 17th in Maryland, with Race 8 heading back overseas for the Manila Regionals in the Philippines at the end of June. Races 10 through 12 will take place in July in Argentina, Colombia, and Turkey. The most current rankings have Dallas Camp in the top spot, followed by Moritz Werfelli and Sean Night Fury Taylor. Team Black Sheep continues to hold on to the top position in the team rankings. You can learn more about the International Drone Racing Association or register as a pilot to qualify for races by going to idra.co or check out the IDRA Facebook page for event details. The FAI completed 2 more international events at the end of May. The 2018 Drone Festival race in Gdynia, Poland took place the weekend of May 18th and 19th, followed by another event in Seoul, Korea from the 25th through 27th. The Lauria Drone Race World Cup took place on June 9th and 10th in Portugal and was an exciting event, featuring night racing on a lit track. Benjamin Lavassiere BLS took the top prize. Next up is the Paris World Cup June 16th and 17th, followed by the Trenčín FPV Cup on June 30th in Trenčín, Slovakia. The FAI German Drone World Cup is also fast approaching, scheduled for the weekend of June 30 through July 1st in Nordlingen, Germany. You can learn more about the World Air Sports Federation and Drone Racing World Cup by visiting fai.org. There are also dozens of other league, chapter, and local events where pilots of all skill levels and experience can enter and compete. Look for local leagues and chapters to find races, as well as group meetups and freestyle events. Get involved, have fun, and good luck. Know about a race or league we should cover? Or have a question or idea for a topic? Comment below or visit us at facebook.com/Dronucopia. Watch the ABCs of FPV to follow a new drone pilot as he tries to become a racer. Also be sure to watch our top 5 FPV videos of the week for videos submitted by our users. Have a video you wish to share? Submit it to our Facebook group, Drone Racing International FPV. Go to shop.dronucopia.com to shop for drones and drone accessories, and as always, happy flying.